Latent heat of fusion. What is the meaning of fusion? We have seen in the interconversion of state of matter, the meaning of fusion means when solid change into liquid. This process is known as fusion. Now the one term also associated with this, it is latent heat of fusion. Now what is this latent heat? We know in the process of fusion, when solid change into liquid, some amount of heat is required. Then solid will change into liquid. But when we take solid in a fixed amount, suppose in a container, one container I am taking here. This is a thermometer, flask thermometer, glass container, kept on wire gauze, Bunsen burner is here, which will provide heat. In this solid, we are taking solid ice. Okay, ice. Ice we are taking here in the form of solid matter. Okay, now fusion, when ice change into water or solid change into liquid. If we take fixed amount of solid, means here I have taken 1 kilogram of solid. How much heat will be required to change this solid into liquid? So what happens? I am giving the heat. This Bunsen burner is now on and I am taking the reading of thermometer also. We all know that at the 0 degree Celsius, ice starts to melt. Now, heat is giving. I am taking the reading also. At a one place, reading becomes constant. We are giving the heat, but there is no fluctuation in the temperature. Where does this heat? What happened? We are giving the heat. Where does this heat go? So, this heat is used to change the bond or the force of attraction which is present between the particles of ice. When their force of attraction will be break, in that condition they can move towards the next state, that is the liquid state. So firstly, whatever heat we are giving, the heat which is not showing its existence in this thermometer, that heat is hidden. That hidden heat is known as latent heat, because the meaning of latent is hidden. So this hidden heat is used to break the bond, to break the force of attraction between the particles, and only in that condition that particles, when they will be free with one another, they can move towards the next state. So we have taken 1 kilogram of solid, okay, 1 kg solid. So the latent heat of fusion, it is the process in which 1 kilogram of solid change into liquid. So whatever amount of heat is required, that heat is known as latent heat of fusion at atmospheric pressure at its melting point. Is it clear to you? I am repeating one more time. Fusion, in which liquid change into solid change into liquid. Latent heat of fusion means whatever heat is required to change 1 kilogram of solid into liquid. But what is the meaning of latent? Latent means hidden, which can't see, which is not showing its existence in this thermometer. We are continuously giving the heat to this, but there is no change is showing in this thermometer. When all the bond will be break, immediately in that condition, then we will see the fluctuation in the thermometer, or in that condition all the ice start to melt and will convert into water. So this process is known as latent heat of fusion, the process in which solid start to melt. So whatever heat is required to change 1 kilogram of solid into liquid at its atmosphere, at its melting point, is known as latent heat of fusion. Everyone write this. Required heat energy to change 1 kg solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure at its melting point is known as latent heat of fusion. Very clear to you? Now, when all the bond will be break, now it change into the water. Now I am changing here all the ice change into now water. This is the water. Arrangement is same. This is the knob of thermometer. Now, in this time, now this liquid or now this water will change into the next state of matter, that is gas. Again I am giving the heat. Again that heat is using by these particles of water to break their bond, which are the bond which bounded these particles with one another. Now they are getting the heat and their bond are breaking. But there is no changes in the thermometer. Again, where does this heat go? We can see this heat is used to break the bond between the particle. At that time, there will be no change shown in this thermometer. When all the bond will be break, immediately the temperature will reach to the 100 degrees Celsius, and at that time all the water will start to change into gas. So this is known as latent heat of vaporization. This latent heat of vaporization. The amount of heat energy required to change 1 kilogram of liquid into gas at its atmospheric pressure, because vaporization is here, at its atmospheric pressure at its boiling point. Definition is changed according to the topic. So the same thing, latent heat which doesn't show its existence in the thermometer also. So the word latent means hidden, छुपी हुई heat. Okay, and this heat is used to break the bond between the particles so that solid can change easily into liquid at its melting point, and liquid will change into gas at its boiling point. So this is the latent heat of vaporization. Children, everyone write the question for this. Define latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization. Everyone write this question also. Question 1. Define latent heat of fusion, and B, latent heat of vaporization. Okay, so this is the work for you.